everybody, we are here in Porto for the FIA Pros Giving, and Zdenek, European champion 2 times, 2024, 2025, really amazing year last year. First score, incredible final, you deserve it, really. How are you?
I'm fine now. With my girlfriend, we're waiting new family.
Yes.
Build new house.
Congratulations.
Thank you. And I'm very now busy with family and house and everything. Then this year we have a little break and maybe I drive a few races,
yes,
only Nova Paka, Přerov and maybe Matschenberg, and I won't drive in Maggiora.
Yeah, okay.
But we waiting and
yes.
maybe yes.
Yeah. Congratulations again.
Thank
and
you.
So good luck for your future.
Thank you.